Hi guys, and welcome back to my William Vlog RC. I got a new knock cap today, and you know in the quiz where we did the Laser ZX, which I got the Marvel cap. Now I just got a new knock cap. Right, today we got the Team Associated rc10T. Well, I think I could do a sign on the T. This. Anyways, yeah, so this is called the Team Associated rc10T. It's a little bit yellow. It's got yellow shocks on and yellow swinging arms. Not swimming arms. Swingy arms. Yeah. And it says Toyota there. Well, Toyota Hilux. I call it. I always call this all the time. Yeah. Wow. There's enough to show. Oh look, there's a sashi. Also the drive shouter was a little bit rusty because I had that years ago. Well, I didn't, but no body clips. Right, there's the Rooster Novak electronic speed controller and a shorty battery. If just in case you don't know, the shorty batteries are like when cars doesn't have enough space, or in gap when it's that big, but shorty battery on. Don't worry, Daddy. Yeah, my dad has a cap as well, and me, and yeah. Oh, let's take a look at the inside the body shell. The paint is coming off. That's okay. Still, you know, kind of cool, really. We put, you know, the Dumbo RC. We swap controllers because we don't have enough controllers. All right, let's go. 3. Ready, steady, ready, steady, steady, ready, go. Oh. Alright, not bad. A little bit slow, but that's okay. Come on. Alright. I had to stay away from the water because it's not waterproof. So, okay, let's carry on. Oh. Whoa! We're concentrating. I had to practice this because it is super slow, but that's okay. I thought it was fast, but well, probably not that fast, but a little bit slow to me, but well, that's alright. Wait, guys, is it the clutch gear or is it slipping in the mud? So let's find out. Guys, I have an idea. So the clutch gear it saves the gearbox from not like. So we're gonna have to fix this. So all we have to do is just tighten it in a little bit, and then it won't slip like this. Not like that. I'll meet you when it's fixed. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, okay guys, hello. The clutch gear is tightened up now, and it's been tightened up by my dad, which is videoing me. Well, yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry to hear this, but this is pants. Because look, this the servos for Tava, which it's pretty good, but not my best. But the rooster Novak, I like them, and the stock motor, the Schumacher stock motor, yeah, this. Oh well, it is pretty good, but it's not. But yeah, okay, let's drive around then. Ready, steady, steady, ready, 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 steady, go. Okay guys, yeah, well, it was a little bit good, but it wasn't that bad, but it's pretty pants. It was a little bit boring for me, and I just got a little bit frustrated with that. But that's okay, that's a good video. Hope you subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next channel. Bye!